Dark versus light doors. Which color is best for your home? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are exploring one of the most common home design questions: should you choose dark doors or light doors for your house? Let's find out which one suits your space best. Dark-colored doors instantly add a touch of luxury and sophistication to any room. They create a beautiful contrast against light-colored walls, making your interiors look elegant and stylish. Another advantage is that dark doors are great at hiding dirt and fingerprints, making them practical for everyday use. However, they can make small spaces feel a little compact or darker, especially if the room lacks natural light. Therefore, dark doors are most effective in larger or well-lit areas. On the other hand, light-colored doors bring a bright, airy, and spacious feel to your home. They reflect natural light beautifully and are perfect for smaller homes or modern minimalist interiors. Light doors also give a clean, fresh, and timeless appearance, but they do tend to show smudges or stains more easily, though a quick wipe keeps them looking new. Here's a simple design rule. If your walls are light, go for dark doors to add contrast and depth. However, if your walls are dark, opt for light-colored doors to balance the look and make your space appear more open. Whether you prefer dark or light, remember that your door color sets the tone for your entire home's design. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.